This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable sensitive content on Instagram using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Instagram app. To enable or disable sensitive content, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go off to the lower right hand corner, down to the little profile icon. I'm going to tap on the profile icon. Then in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the What You See section, and in the What You See section, right here, Content Preferences, you want to tap on Content Preferences. And then the second thing down, Sensitive Content. You want to tap on Sensitive Content. It says sensitive content doesn't go against our community guidelines, but refers to topics some people may not want to see. Choose how much sensitive content you want to see. If you toggle on this top one, you might see less sensitive content. The middle one, you might see some sensitive content, and if you toggle on the bottom one, as you see mine is toggled on, you might see more sensitive content. That is how to enable or disable sensitive content on the Instagram app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.